The voice you're hearing right now is an AI clone of my own voice. And no, it didn't happen instantly, and it's definitely not magic. But once you understand how ElevenLabs actually works, the process is very straightforward. The most important part, by far, is training the voice. This isn't something you rush. Inside ElevenLabs, you create a voice by uploading recordings of yourself, reading scripts out loud. Clean audio matters more than anything. No music, no background noise, no echo. You don't need an expensive microphone, but you do need consistency. Same room, same distance from the mic, same natural speaking voice. The minimum is about 30 minutes of audio. But honestly, that's just the starting point. The more you give it, the closer it sounds to you, and not just how you sound, but how you speak. Your pacing, your pauses, your rhythm. Once you've recorded the audio, you upload it into ElevenLabs Voice Lab and create a custom voice. At this stage, you choose the voice model. There are different options. Some are faster and more general. Others are designed for higher quality and realism. For anything cinematic or narrative, you want the more advanced model. It takes longer to process, but the results are worth it. Once the voice is created, this is where a lot of people get confused. The sliders. These aren't effects, they're controls. Stability affects how consistent the voice is. Higher stability means smoother, more even delivery. Lower stability allows for more variation in emotion. Similarity controls how closely the output sticks to your original voice. Push it too high, and it can sound stiff. Too low, and it starts drifting away from you. Style exaggeration controls how expressive the voice becomes. Subtle changes here make a big difference. I tend to keep things natural. Nothing extreme. The goal isn't to sound artificial, it's to sound like you, or on a good day. And once you understand that balance, ElevenLabs stops feeling like an AI tool and starts feeling like a voice instrument. It's not perfect. You still guide the performance. You still shape the delivery. But it's good enough to narrate films, explain ideas, and create work without being tied to a camera. If you want, I'll break down how this voice gets used with avatars, visuals, and editing in the next videos. Subscribe if you want to follow along.